Hi, I'm Sheldon Ray, Product Manager of Advanced Technology Products here at Lincoln Electric, and today I'm in Lincoln Electric San Diego to talk about an innovative solution we have that is exclusive to our Helix M85 orbital welding system. So this is called Apex Auto Sector. Now for those in the pipe and vessel space, you know that when you're at the top of the pipe, your procedure is different than whether you're out here in the 3 o'clock position or if you're down below in the 6 o'clock position. So if you were to look at the center of the pipe and think of it as a pie, you have a section up here in the 1G, a section on the side in the 3G, and a section down below in the 5G position. So what we are doing with our new auto sector feature is allowing you to program how this system reacts automatically depending on where it is on that pipe. So this here is our Apex MIG pendant, and you'll see that I'm currently on the auto sector setup screen. Now this is all in terms of degrees. Right now I'm at 35 degrees, and I've set up a sector that from sector 1 is 315 to 45 and so on, just as I showed on that pipe. If I return back to the home screen here, now you will see that it's currently set to travel at 6 inches a minute. If I press start, it is going to begin moving down and weaving with the procedure that I have for sector 1. But you'll notice that as I approach 45 degrees, that percentage below is decrementing up until I get to 0. When it hits 0, it'll do a ramp, and it now has switched up to a 15 inches per minute travel speed. Now I'm going to stop it here, and then I'm going to return it back to its home position where it started by pressing the home button. This feature can use up to 8 different sectors per pipe, and you can have a different setup for each pass on that pipe, making it virtually infinitely adjustable to your welding needs. For more information on Apex Auto Sector and other mechanized solutions, go to mechanized at lincolnelectric.com.